Ah, friggin' rights, boys. We gotta go on a little bit of an adventure today. Right, buddy? What? An adventure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. You excited? Depends, eh? Yeah, this could be good. Could be a long day. But anyways, well, I guess I better shut the lights off. We'll get the lights here. Oh yeah, and the batteries, yeah. Fuck, good thing we brought Nelson. Eh? Holy shit. But yeah, anyways, we'll load up here. Heater shuts off as soon as we're ready to go. It's perfect. Oh man, just loaded with different things. But yeah, we're going on an adventure with Nelbert. He's the best one to go on an adventure with because if it's broken, he can fix it. Little spray paint, little how you doing. I'll get the other battery, shut the lights off. It'll be great. Oh, buddy. Oh, that's awesome. Just rip the shit out of my fucking coveralls.
That's what I was saying yesterday.
A piece of metal fucking sticking out of my seat for fucking.
Yeah.
That's fucking awesome. Pounder in, right, buddy? We're on an adventure, Nelbert. Is it gonna be awesome?
Hope so.
I was having third thoughts of it this morning, eh? Sometimes I have third thoughts. I get thoughts, and I have third thoughts. And I think, oh man, they don't get to Inwood. That's the only thing, right? Like if we fucking drive halfway here, then we're fucked, and it takes all day and tow truck, and that's gonna cost money to get a tow truck to fucking Inwood. You know what I mean? Like CAA isn't gonna tow my bus.
Yeah.
You know? She's a little brisk in the temperature department.
Yeah, big time.
A little bit. You're just dying?
Yeah.
Oh, is Inwood killing you, buddy?
Oh no. Cold. This time of year.
Oh my goodness, what's that?
Pretty much the only thing we had that was actually food, kind of. They don't have burgers this time of day, I guess.
Oh yeah?
Like muffins and shit like that.
Yeah, those egg McMuffins, they'll give you an absolutely water ass immediately. Oh, you need a hand? You're like elderly. Are you elderly?
No, it's just my back's a little sitting up, you know, it takes a little while sometimes.
Oh, fuck. You gotta get a ring-a-dinger, buddy.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like, oh, I don't know. It doesn't sound like you get connected back.
Yeah, you just...
Horrible pain.
Well, they go to school to learn how to do it. They don't just friggin' start grabbing your neck and thrusting it relentless.
Oh yeah, they've been frozen. Swollen as shit.
Look at the brake. Fuck, look at this thing. Fucking ceiling of the fucking box is even coming apart. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to do anything with this.
No, right now, pull those things out for sure, because you'll just fucking overload the trolley, just hook up onto that.
What to do? This is fucking bullshit. We should just go back to Inwood and work on the 83.
Sounds good to me.
Okay. How you doing? Is that my transfer case?
Yeah, oh yeah, that's the transfer case. That's your training. All back together. That's just spray. It's a cast paint. That's all. Just so it doesn't.
Yeah.
And it looks better when you put it in, right?
What's this wear on that? Is that just from
that's
the shifter?
okay because the shifter at one time
Has a
probably
little-
came loose, but the detail, everything works.
Right on.
I took it down. Yep, she's all ready to. The box has got all your old parts for that. When I get the transfer case done, I'll have all the parts for that. I'll keep it all, put it all together for you.
Sweet.
This looks good. Somebody's had this part too at one time. But it was late when we saw it. We'll put all new seals.
Is that factory?
Yep.
Huh.
Yeah,
Weld the
because-
gear, eh?
Yeah, well what they do is they don't use, because they put this on in case you want to because your standard's got 2 spots for a PTO. This transfer case is one of the very few that also has a spot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so you can run a PTO off transfer case too.
Decent.
Yep. So now it's just getting started on this now. The part finally just got here, so. And the rest of the case is in the tank, they're being washed. And I'm just starting to put it back together. And then the grand Satan just came in, so.
Perfect.
Okay, so I'm working on it, I'm trying.
Yeah,
Okay,
well, we're just
I've
up
got
to...
Keith's away today, so I'm kind of my apprentice, the young guy.
Right on.
Okay, so we're,
So you have to do all the work.
yeah, well. Yeah. Not all the work, some work.
Right on. So should be good to go for tonight, or
I'm hoping so, yeah.
Right
You
on.
want to call later on? I'm trying my best.
what time you close at? So
5.
5, right on.
Or I can call you and tell you how I'm making out. Like, I mean, is it a big time if I'm not done? I'm not. I'm just asking.
No.
I'm trying I want to make sure I don't. I want to clean, take it all apart, get all the metal and shit out of there.
Yeah, for sure.
And want it all reed sealed so that there is no leaks. And I want to get a look at that front diff actuator too and see what's going on. This is the switch that actually operates it. So it's a vacuum switch. So what it does is somewhere from the truck there's vacuum going down to it. And then this plunger opens up and it puts vacuum to the front diff. So when you're in 4-wheel drive, it actuates on here, lifts up, puts vacuum.
Huh.
So, and you said you're pretty sure it wasn't working.
Yeah, I mean, I put it in 4 and I, kind of,
You can tell.
Yeah. No light on the dash or anything either, so.
Yeah, well, there's no light. It comes from that front actuator. Yep, so anyway, that's
Decent.
where I am.
Perfect.
Okay, so we'll get it all done for you. I'll try my best to let you know, because I don't want to rush anything.
Yeah, I mean, don't fuck it up because you're trying to,
Oh no.
If we do like, why should we pull it out again?
I don't want to pull it twice.
No.
So that's the thing.
No. Right on.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I'll call you later.
Okay, thanks, Greg.
Yeah, no worries. What's on your comm? Oh, how you making out, buddy? Would you rather be doing this than outside in a bus?
Oh, much. Yeah.
So you're happy?
Oh, yeah.
You're happy to be in Inwood?
Good in here.
Eh? Freaking rights. Eh? Well, I gotta go. I gotta go to the bank, check the mail, bunch of other stuff.
Well, hopefully I get these bearings in.
Oh goodness, I hope so. Yeah, we ordered a friggin' time and cover gasket, $81 and something. I'm pretty sure it's got the seal with it too. This one's got a little chantier on the bevel edge. If you'll notice, she's not sitting in there quite flat. I mean, it wasn't leaking or anything, but I mean, it didn't have any oil in it either. So that's probably some of the issue. But what else? Some Earls coming. Oh, and a front wheel, 4-wheel drive front diff actuator, Arscolio for the 97. Nickel and diamond me already, so I'm terrible. I'm really glad it took 3 weeks to get a knot safety. Hey buddy, a knot safety, that's what we call it. Hey, that's what we call it. It's a knot safety and it takes 3 weeks. Any words, I won't be long. Hey, try not to get too disoriented. The bass. Oh, I'm gonna try out my new wabi coat. Oh, it works great. I'm so warm.
What about the cold puss on the weather?
Ooh, the cold puss.
Charlie, do not put that in your video. Which I'm just doing.
What are you talking about?
Oh, it's the old frozen puss tech.
Yeah. Oh, my Watme sweater is just absolutely
Toasty?
keeping me toasted some terrible.
Yeah, there's some gray, like there's actually quite a bit on that magnet.
What, in the transmission?
Yeah, touches me. There was some brass filings.
The guy that I got the truck from said that he got the transmission rebuilt and it was $2,500 and this and that. The guy's a goof. I never met such a bigger piece of shit in my life than the guy that I got the Marmaduke from. Well, actually, the guy that I got this truck from too. He's a fucking idiot. But yeah, seems like a.
I don't know, it may not be that bad. It's just like
Sludge in there, eh?
Up top more, and the magnets kind of
Oh, yeah?
that way.
Me always just,
Where's the magnet?
Further to the back.
Look at the shit in there. Oh,
It's just a big fur ball.
wow.
It's, yeah, the magnet's got a lot more than the transfer From what you can see, the synchros, you don't look at all.
Well, worst case Ontario, we'll fucking take her for a rip. If it needs a rebuild, we'll fucking build this one ourselves. Because, you know, fuck. Gears of North America. It's like a fucking rainbow fun factory under here, eh? Brown and orange and blue and fucking silver. And
Yeah, it's a message, yeah.
it's way better than trying to fucking start a bus in the snow with frozen bloated batteries, eh?
Yeah, it is actually.
Oh, that's great. That's great. That's friggin' great. Yeah, I got gaskets and friggin' Earl and different shit coming tomorrow, so should be able to get her buttoned up, put back together. Hello, how you doing? What a piece of shit. Every nut and bolt in the fucking thing was loose. Fucking, you know, should check all the bolts. You know, every bolt you can find, fucking check it too. Because like if he's been in there,
Yeah.
it's fucking
Well,
loose.
The side access cover, yeah, it was like one finger.
Fuck's sakes.
But the drain plug, holy shit, I used the extended thing and
Oh, she was torqued in there, eh?
oh yeah, I could feel the I had to put the adapter on it. I could feel the little crunch, 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 like it was just about to snap off.
Wow.
I was a little excessive on that one, but
Everything else, you know, the drain plug, 650 foot-pounds. Everything else, friggin' bell housing bolts, friggin' this, that, friggin' excess cover bolts, just barely hanging on, eh? 100% rattle loose, but we'll get her. Sonner Laudards, we'll get her. I'll have to turn on my Watme there. It's friggin' a little bit chilly out here in Nelbert. You got the heat? You got the heat off or what? Did you turn the heat off there, buds?
I'm good.
I apologize. I have to turn on my Watme. Okay, my new one. Oh, fucking. Scored a bunch of fucking zip times today and a friggin' safety coat. I did. Hey, that'll be good for the truck. Emergency situations and cold weather and different things. And how you doing? A little bit of poop in there. Yeah, we'll probably still end up getting the buses, just not right now. You know what I mean? It's just not the right time. Yeah, surely we'll have to bring some fuel and some friggin' stuff, probably. Good chance. Pretty good chance, probably. But yeah, not too much to go now. We can put the cab back on it. And oh, Dick, more shots for the calendar. That'll be next year's calendar, eh, buddy? Everybody?
That's probably a little clutch piece,
Oh, great.
I would imagine.
Yeah, it's just like sparkly, like a friggin', like a unicorn's friggin' article. Yeah, you can see that. Holy fuck, eh?
Yeah, just kind of scored the gear surfaces a bit.
Great.
Well, at least they're easy to get out if we have to.
Oh yeah, it's just a matter of fucking tearing every cocksucking aspect out apart. Dodge dicks. No good. Oh, my sweater's keeping me toasty warm inside. We'll have to try it out in the wintertime. Hey? Into the aspect of out in the frosty cold weathers, but yeah, that's a friggin' drag, eh? Tear open all the components and stuff, and they're all friggin' just filled with filings. Some terrible. Whatever. Clean her up, make her look all pretty. It'll just be the insides that are dicked. Rippity? Yeah. But anyways, we'll get these friggin' parts tomorrow, and we'll chuck her back together, and fuck, we might as well fire it up, eh? We'll put the fuel tank into it and friggin' get that shit all copacetic, and we'll fucking fire her up, boys, eh? Fucking right we will. Sons of bitches. Maybe tomorrow, if it's not all fucking just blast windy out like a fucker, we'll just push it out quick, power wash the fuck out of it, and bring it back in, you know? Because we got to reposition the front end anyways. Fucking, it's got to come over this way quite a bit. But yeah, and then I'll just let it fucking dry in here, and then it'll just surface rust, and then that'll give a nice, you know, just knock the dust off it, and then we'll just paint it with the black poop, and it'll be just as black as the frame, and then give it a coat of paint after that, and zero fucks. But we should tear that turbo off there.
Or just knocked off.
Well, it's no good, right? It's, we gotta get it rebuilt, or fucking get a new one, or something. The fucking thing's rattling around, the pieces, you know, that hits the fucking housing and starts fucking coming apart. Well, hopefully the truck's ready tomorrow and we can friggin' dick around with this a little more and go for a heavy duty rip snot with the new trammy, right, buddy? Just cram it into 4-wheel drive and just cram the front brake on right under your head. Hey, you ever done that? You're fucking driving down the hill as fast as you can. You're just giving her like full blast and you just cram on the front brake. Oh, you feel kid, not same. Eh? You feel kid, not same, buddy. But anyways, you got some oil to dump out and some other shit to do. Fuck, clean up some messes and stuff. So, friggin' probably leave you without that. But anyways, don't forget the Patreomics and OnePugGuy.com sales over. Expensive as frig, but you're still gonna want to go there and spend all your monies. And yeah, we need you to go to the Patreons now because we got to replace a fan and stuff, and a clutch and a pulley and a whole bunch of other stuff, right, buddy? Yeah, and even Nelson said so. So, anyways, I want to finger fudge you on that like button if you missed them couple bitches from your link buttons. There you go, another dick button.
Don't the waters get you.